Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Tuesday, June 22nd. It is an amazing day, guys. It is an amazing day. So, hope you all are doing well. Hope you all have something to be grateful and thankful for. I'm going to be wearing Woody One today. I know y'all probably like, so what? Woody One, and this is YSL inspired. Yeah. Something like that. Yeah, I'm going to show y'all right here. Can y'all see that? Now you can see it. I'm getting better and better at this, but yeah, that's what I choose to wear today. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. I gotta get behind my knees, y'all. I gotta get behind those knees with my fragrance. I do plan on probably ordering some more. I'm just not sure as to when. Whenever I feel like it, it's a couple of more of these that I would like to try. Skirt got wet. It must have fell on my tee. Yeah, guys, but walk into that. But yeah, I hope you all are having a very, very great day. So I'm going to show you guys. Let me get my hat first because I'm going to show you guys. Oh, my hair turned out okay today. I brushed it to the back. But I'm going to get my hat for today because it is cold here. Like 50. I think it was like 54, but it's supposed to only get up to like in the 60s today. So yeah, but this is minus the scarf. This is outfit of the day. I'll put on my blue jean jacket, and yeah. Now how am I gonna put this on with my ponytail? That's why I had put it back like that. So I don't know, y'all. We'll figure something out. So let me see how I can do this. Is it gonna stay? I was trying to get it, if you guys can, I was trying to get it in between here, but I guess that's not gonna work. I'll probably have to try to do something else, but this is fine for now. But yeah, hold the line, guys, and I'll show y'all the vessel, and I'm gonna show you guys, we're gonna go in the bathroom, we're gonna put together the toilet paper holder. So hold the line, please. All right, guys, so here's the vessel. I had to go outside and go get it because I did spray over it a little bit. But I remember I was showing you guys how that you will be able to see the imprint, the engraving of that actual print that was on there that was actually white. And then at the top of this, you will see the actual engraving on this. Guys, I think this is so, 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 so beautiful. Ain't that pretty? So pretty. So I'm going to put her on the stand, and I'll probably show you guys how it look later. But in the meantime, I want you guys to grab you some tea, some water or something. Just be grateful, be thankful, be blessed in all you do, guys. And remember, live your life like it's golden, okay? Love on other people. Don't be selfishly. Give when it's needed. Love on others when they need it. Lend a helping hand when needed. The list goes on with what I can say for you to do. But as grown people, I do believe that some of us, most of us, the majority of us should already know what to do. So just be a blessing, be a beacon of light in the world. And I think this world could carry on in good ways more than we know if we would do that. So we're going to drink to that. And that's tea time for you guys. But in the meantime, hold on a second. And we're going to go into the bathroom so I can put the towel, the toilet thing on. And then we'll get into something else. All right, y'all. So we're in here. And I'm hoping that this thing don't fall down that y'all on. Because y'all are actually in the sink position. So let me close the commode because I did clean it. And let's put that back on there. And let's go ahead and screw the screws back in, right? Okay. I think I need the screwdriver for that. And so that's the only thing so dark you can't even see where the engraving is. Okie dokie. I got that one in. And, uh-oh. I knew that was going to happen. I knew it. It's always something, right, y'all? It's always something. That's how you know you're on the right track, when it's always something. Okay. And then too, I can't hardly see right here. So that plays a big major part when you can't see that great. And I don't have my glasses on. I'm trying to think, this one was the hardest one to get out too. So guys, there we have it. There we have it. It's cool, right? It's so dark you can't see, but here is the other piece. Someone will just pop it in there because I had that under the sink because we wasn't using it. But guys, that's what it looks like now. I love it. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah. Instead of going out buying it, your own, hey, make a way. Make a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. So hold the line, y'all. I'm getting ready to go. I have to clean the windows in the living room, well, in the dining room area. So I'll come back. That is so disgusting. Do y'all see this? Look at that. Clean your windows. Like, you got to remember, we've been in the house, heat's been on and stuff like that. That is nasty. Those windows should never been like that. But I noticed it yesterday and I kept saying I was going to do it. So all I'm using is vinegar and water, guys. I put a little bit of spray on some paper, a little bit of damp paper towel with water with some of this, and it's all good. Nothing else. That's it. And then this is what I'm taking for breakfast this morning. I'm gonna finish up my tea. I have oatmeal, a white peach. I'm gonna put these in my car so I can have extra cough drops. Baby girl wants this, so I'm gonna take her. Well, it all depends on if I have time. I'm gonna take her this. Guys, I bought that, and y'all know how it is. She ain't using that. She done had company functions and everything, and I ain't never even used this. So she had mentioned the last time she was here, she wanted it, so I'm gonna give it to her. I'll give her what she wants sometimes. And then later on we'll tackle we're gonna sand that down over there, and we're gonna paint over there. So I will see you guys in a little while, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. So it is officially like almost 6:30, and I'm just now getting back home. I'm gonna say maybe 20 minutes ago, but I picked up a few things from the grocery store. I'm just gonna share with y'all. Y'all probably not interested because this is not the vegan channel, but somebody might like something. I don't know. I got some kosher dill spears. I got some Covita kombucha master brew. This is the pineapple peach one. I got 2 things of hummus. This is roasted red pepper, and this is the everything. Both of those. And these were $2 a piece, which I couldn't believe. These were $2, and this was $2.50. I couldn't believe that either. I got a small thing of ginger. Put that in here. And I got 2 bags of Doritos. If y'all don't know, if you're vegans, these are vegan. So y'all already see I done ate 1 bag. I already got into 1 bag already. And I got some collard greens, but these are not gonna get cooked until, I don't know. They'll get cooked one day, but I got them. So I was just showing y'all. I think I might snack on this one with those. Put this away. So I think tonight I will be fixing probably some Brussels sprouts with onions. Brussels, onions, and mushrooms and garlic. I like that. It's a really good mixture. But I'm gonna turn this camera. I'm gonna show y'all how y'all can open up your space to make it look bigger by just moving your curtain rods, okay? Let me show y'all real quick. Hold on, y'all. Too bright. Okay. Do y'all see this? And we're gonna end this video real quick. Let me turn the light on. Let me turn the light on. Let me turn some light on. Okay, got the light on. So that looks very white, right? Because I opened up the rods. I made them look whiter. So let me show y'all from here how that looks. Can y'all see that? Come on. Okay, there we go. So that's how that looks right there. So I wanted to show you guys that. And hold on 1 second. Y'all know there's the vase. Don't she look pretty right there? So the things that I had in them corn husk, pumpkin looking things, I just took them out and I'll just keep them for when fall rolls along, and I'll decide if I want to put them out, because I probably will get rid of some other pumpkins, but she's so pretty right there. So we're gonna go in the kitchen. I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna show y'all how to sand something down, and then she probably gonna end this video. All right, y'all. So basically, all you're gonna do, I'm gonna remove this, and then I'll probably show you guys tomorrow in another video, because I had already hung a nail there. I'll just show you tomorrow in another video how it came out. But all you're gonna do is just take this sandpaper for these pieces here, and you're just gonna sand the paint off like so until you get like a smooth, it'll start falling off by itself, but until you get get off me. Until you get a smooth finish, and then you're just gonna paint over it. That's all. That's all you're gonna do. And I can always vacuum this up with my cordless vac. So that's all I wanted to do, was just get the paint from where it was stuck on the walls off. So like you can tear this off. There's nothing but plaster and paint. So you guys get it. That's all I have to do. And I have plaster I can put in these holes and stuff. So here's my paint for all of you that didn't see it yesterday. This is the Ultra Gloss White Rust-Oleum. I got that. And then hopefully we can get that piece of, what is it? Of the, oh gosh, TV stand thing off the wall. So yeah, guys, I will see you all tomorrow in another video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Bring you guys along for some updates and some things around in the home. So guys, with that being said, I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget now, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. I hope you guys received the message this morning for the semi-like tea time. But yeah, love yourselves so that you'll be able to love others. Bye, y'all. I love you. Thanks for tuning in today. See you tomorrow.